Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing with your best friend Scott. So today we are checking out this sleep mask. So inside, just plain boxes. There's no manual, there's nothing. I don't think we need a manual to know what a sleep mask is. However, if you are new to sleep masks, I'm gonna be happy to help you. So sleep masks are good for taking naps, for car rides, car trips that you want to block out the light. So basically, you do this, and it blocks out the light. Now, it helps you sleep better. It does take a couple days to get used to sleep masks, so keep that in mind. Now, the fabric feels like this one could be silk or something related. It's extremely soft. The band on the back here is also soft as well and flexible. So if you got a huge head, I mean, you can fit your huge head on here. So you pull it down over and you take your nap. And what this does is it blocks out the light from keeping you awake, giving you better sleep. Now, again, it takes a couple of days, maybe a week, to actually get used to something around your eyes. But once you get used to it, then you can sleep better. Now, it says hand wash in cold water with neutral detergent. Okay, so this is 100% natural silk. So this is silk, 100% natural silk, and you can feel it. It's cool to the touch. It's smooth. Overall, I've probably reviewed about 10 to 15 of these sleep masks. This one definitely is nice. There is a little light around here. So if you look down with your eyes, you actually can see a little light down here. There's maybe a freckle of a light up top here. If you pull it down lower and try and get it perfect, there's a little light there and a little light here. But with your eyes closed, your main part of your eye section is blocked off, so you see no light. You only see the light when you open your eyes a little bit down around your nose and a little bit at the top. But besides that, when your eyes are closed, which, you know, you're not going to be sleeping with your eyes open wearing this. So with your eyes closed, the light down here is not bright enough that you actually notice it with your eyes closed. So it makes this a good sleep mask. See you guys on the next unboxing.